Hi, so welcome to this market edition or at the end of 17th of November. Let's do a quick analysis. So one of the very good things which I am seeing, of course, yesterday we figured out some companies just like Birlasoft and Apollo Hospital. आज ये दोनों में बहुत अच्छी move आई together with LTTS, Coforge and Mindtree also. Mindtree also went very near to its all-time high. Just at 20 रुपए के नीचे थी. So these were few of the trades we took. Going forward, of course, मारुति भी हमने कल आइडेंटिफाई किया था आज, क्योंकि ये 8000 के ऊपर अच्छी क्लोजिंग दी थी कल. So today from there ये 8350 तक गई, which is a good 350 move. मेट्रोपोलिस इज़ वन ऑफ द कंपनीज जिसमें मैं ट्रेड नहीं करता हूँ और इसमें मेरा इंटरेस्ट है इसमें और डॉक्टर लाल पाथ लैब में भी मेरा इंटरेस्ट उतनी है नहीं, बिकॉज आई थिंक आई हैव मच बेटर, सो आई वांट टू स्टिक विद दीज कंपनीज. गोइंग फॉरवर्ड बिरला सॉफ्ट की एक बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग क्लोजिंग आई है एंड आई एम प्रीटी श्योर कि ये कल मैंने ट्वीट भी किया था ड्यूरिंग मार्केट आवर्स दैट यू शुड बी ट्रैकिंग दिस ब्रेकआउट एंड दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट हैपेंड. आई थिंक गोइंग फॉरवर्ड अगर ये 500 की टारगेट इजीली अचीव कर सकती है, वी हैव टू सी वेदर इट हैपेंस इन अ मैटर of hours or days. So let's have a look, let's keep an eye on that one. अदर देन दैट टाटा पावर इज़ ऑल्सो इंचिंग. आज 250 तक गई थी. कल हमने डिस्कस किया था हाउ 248 लेवल्स strong resistance, and today it was able to close above it, so which is a really good thing. Going forward हमारा टारगेट अगर ये अचीव होती है then definitely हमारा टारगेट बढ़ के 280 टाइप्स आ रही है as of now, and so we are going to keep that. Coforge just 6000 से 5 रुपये कम है. आई थिंक गोइंग फॉरवर्ड इसमें भी एक अच्छी मूव आनी चाहिए. लेट्स होप कि ये 6000 को ब्रीच करे. So then the immediate target would be 7000. Also, Tata Motors made a new 52-week high, and so this was also a good trade. So this has been always my strategy from a trading point of view, just like to stay with the winners. बायोकॉन में हम तभी इंटरेस्टेड होंगे जब ये 386 के ऊपर क्लोजिंग देगी, एंड टिल देन वी आर जस्ट not going to look at it. LTI is also one of my favorite. This also made an all-time high today, and you can see that after this breakout from 7000 it was able to easily reach 7500, and just like हमारा 5000 का टारगेट था for Mindtree, वो लगातार 2 दिन it was able to achieve it in 2 successive days. So that's actually also one of the good trades. Escorts हमने कल डिस्कस किया था how 1600 is going to add a support, and this is exactly what happened, and it went very near to its all-time high. So Escorts is also whenever it's dipping, it's always getting a support, and this is very similar to the structure you see earlier. ये 1500 में support ले रही थी, and now it's getting support at 1600 levels. Going forward हमारा target कुछ 1740 types है. So let's see how we are going to achieve it. बजाज फाइनेंस भी आज 7500 से एक अच्छी मूव दी. कल वी डिस्कस्ड अबाउट दिस 7500. सो हमारे लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है 7750 लेवल्स. अगर ये लेवल्स के ऊपर ये क्लोजिंग देती है then definitely 8000 should be in the very near vicinity. Other than that, of course, ये Mindtree भी हम बोल रहे थे ये बहुत अच्छी कंसोलिडेट कर रही है. One of these days it should shoot up and it should make a 5500. State Bank of India is also trying to get a support at 500. आज ये 507 से डिप करके at least it was able to it was able to at least hold the levels of 490. let's see हम 484 का हमारा टारगेट है, and we would be trying to see अगर हम वो अचीव करते हैं. Persistent was one of the companies जिसमें हम यहाँ पे डिस्कस किए थे. We took a trade on this one, and since the closing was above हमारी जो levels थी 4200 की उसके ऊपर थी, and so now you can see it's very near to inching towards 4500. So in general हमारा strategy वही रहती है कि there are few sectors and there are few companies which actually become the flavor of the month, flavor of the week, flavor of the day. So we always try to stay with them. एंड सीमेंस में भी ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग पैटर्न है. अगर ये 2400 के ऊपर अगर क्लोजिंग देके अगर ये 12:30-1 बजे तक इसको मेंटेन कर पाई, और अगर इसमें क्लोजिंग आती है देन डेफिनेटली 2600 शुड बी इन द विसिनिटी. बजाज ऑटो वी ऑलरेडी डिस्कस यस्टरडे. दिस लुक्स रियली वीक, और हम बजाज ऑटो में 4000 के ऊपर ही ट्रेड लेंगे, एंड टिल दैट टाइम वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू इवन हैव अ लुक एट बजाज ऑटो. So this is how it looks like. Now we are कल हमने डिस्कस किया था हाउ REC is going to come at 140, and this is already, it came over here. This was very evident from this particular day that 140 was coming. It lingered at 150 for long, and from there it was, once this level got broken, we discussed in one of the weekend videos that 140 aane wali hai, and this is exactly where it came. And from other chart perspective, let's have a quick look. Indigo is also looking good after see this pattern, right? Exactly, ये same pattern till here. ये जो pattern है, and this is exactly the same pattern which we are seeing in Siemens. And as I say, the market always repeats those patterns, so you should always have a, see this one. So you should always have a very good look out for those patterns, because they are very good rewarding trades, which just happen in a matter of hours, and then you can just relax, and you don't have to be in front of your screen for a longer period of time. Okay, so in general, there was not much of a trading opportunity from a banking point of view. IRCTC में भी कल हमने जैसे डिस्कस किया था, there are some profit bookings happening. So from now 920 930 is acting like a very strong resistance. उसी रीजन में जब भी वो जा रही है, there are some profit booking happening, but at least it was able to okay, so it actually closed below the levels of 906. So 906 is an important level for me. और going forward, अगर ये dip करती है, so we would be tracking the levels of 880, which was the earlier resistance. So now it should act like a support. Other than that, FMCG और ये दोनों ही कोई pharma, they were not able to give support, and the Reliance was the main reason why Nifty actually broke. It ended at her day's low, and we have not been trading in Reliance. हमारा strategy was simple है, we would only be interested in Reliance above 2670 levels, और यहाँ पे 2400 में इसको एक support मिलनी चाहिए. So let's see how it pans out tomorrow. Actually, going forward, I think tomorrow the market will be actually a good one. I know the data may not be supportive, like I have a feeling that tomorrow the market will actually outperform, and there will be more scope for long trades than on the short side. And as usual, you can see Godrej Consumer Products as well as Trent. So all these companies, all these sectors, just like also Auto Pharma, so the pharmaceutical, Glenmark over here, Star over here, so they were not able to perform. And this is also true for Chambal Fertilizers. So these are few of the companies which Chambal Fertilizers is one of the companies I really don't want to enter or trade, because I really don't understand their market. So for me, I'm more very much interested in mid cap IT. Of course, this is what I have been saying, that the people are not able to understand the potential of these companies for now. Of course, can they correct? They can correct by 20-30% from here, but that's not the point. The point is how you are able to manage your risk and how you are able to move forward. Syngene is one of the companies जो अभी 600 के ऊपर closing दे रही है, but it seems like it's getting weaker, and any closing below the levels of 680 between the levels of 580 is going to again take it back towards the levels of 500. So this is something for us. And Tech Mahindra, as we discussed yesterday, is the only large cap IT company which has been outperforming Infosys, HCL Tech, Wipro and TCS. So if you are in large cap IT, so Tech Mahindra is definitely your bet. And from ITC point of view, ITC we are going to only trade in ITC once it's able to cross the levels of 248. Today it went towards 245 and it closed just below 240. So there is some news flow about ITC. Let's see if it is able to drive the prices for tomorrow. And the good thing is Asian Paint was also able to close above the levels of 3200. This is coming after a long time. It seems like the momentum is phasing out, and so just like the momentum seems also fading out for Maruti. So these are the other two stocks. Especially Asian Paint is definitely looking really good for me, and let's see what comes out of it. So as usual, Apollo Hospital as well as all the mid-cap IT companies, just like Birlasoft, LTI, LGTS, Mindtree, Coforge. So these are a few of the stocks which will be in my radar for the first half of the trade, and I will try to book out some profits if possible. And let's see, as and when the trade progresses tomorrow, I expect it to be a good day for longs, but anything can happen. I don't know what the US market is doing right now, but in general the market is not that bad. It's just that the heavyweights, just like Reliance, State Bank of India, HDFC Bank, they are not able to support the market. Else, mid cap IT and other sectors. So you have to be very much stock specific, and they are able to perform. Thanks a lot for listening. Hope this video is going to help you in finding your trades. And as always, please consult your financial advisor if you need any investment or trading related queries. Bye bye.